If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Sing, Tommy. Go on then. Sing. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Kai.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. What he does as well, he sings, right? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. But he sings the other part instead of singing the first.
Oh.